Hey guys, Happy New Year and welcome to today's video. To kick things off, here's a very simple DIY project to help my fellow needle felters out there. So two of my goals for 2018 is to create more art and upload more videos to this channel. And because it's been a few months since my last video, I figured I should start off by creating this super easy, no sew, no frills felting pillow. This is not only such a quick process, but it's so cost effective both short and long term. All I used was some burlap sheets that were on sale for $1 at my local art store, some toy stuffing, you can also reuse stuffing from an old cushion, and some hot glue. Honestly, the glue was probably the most expensive material, but I bought it years ago for maybe $20. So if you already have most of these items on hand, this will save you a lot of money down the line from having to replace your sponges every couple of months. So what are the steps? First, you glue down your two sheets by the edges, leaving enough of a gap to add the stuffing. And once that's full, simply seal any gaps and leave it to dry, which doesn't take very long if you're using hot glue. And that's the very basic way to make a felting pillow. Feel free to make one that's bigger or cleaner or whatever, but this works just fine for me. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, as brief as it may be, but I do hope that it's useful for those who are on a budget or have trouble finding work surfaces that aren't durable or big enough for their craft. And even though I've been on a big hiatus on here, that doesn't mean I've been slacking off with art. I've actually been making quite a few works that I can't wait to show you all in the next video. So until then, I hope you've been having a great start to the new year, and I'll catch you all soon.